Join me as I dive into the wild world of small stock and try to figure out what's really going on right now. Small stock has been making waves in the current market landscape, and its relevance can't be overstated. The stock's performance has been closely watched by investors and market enthusiasts alike, and for good reason. It's a key player in its sector. Small stock is currently facing some significant challenges. Market fluctuations have been a major concern, with the stock's value experiencing some pretty wild ups and downs. Investor concerns are also running high, with many wondering if the stock is still a solid long-term investment. The company's financials have been under scrutiny, and some have questioned its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. One of the main issues is the stock's volatility, which has made it difficult for investors to predict its future performance. This has led to a decline in investor confidence, which in turn has put downward pressure on the stock's value. The factors affecting small stock are complex and multifaceted. Recent news has played a big role, with some major announcements having a significant impact on the stock's value. Market trends are also a key factor, with the overall direction of the market having a big influence on small stocks' performance. Expert opinions are also weighing in, with some analysts predicting a major turnaround for the stock, while others are more bearish. The company's management team has been working to address some of the concerns, but it's an uphill battle. The stock's technical indicators are also being closely watched, as they can provide valuable insights into its future performance. The company's financial health is also a major factor, with its revenue and earnings growth being closely watched. Some investors are worried that the company's growth may be slowing, which could have a negative impact on the stock's value. The company's competitors are also a factor, as they can impact small stocks' market share and overall performance. Despite these challenges, some investors remain bullish on the stock, citing its strong fundamentals and growth potential. The stock's valuation is also being debated, with some arguing that it's undervalued, while others think it's overvalued. One of the most critical insights regarding small stocks' trajectory is that it's at a crossroads. The company's future success will depend on its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and address the concerns of investors. If it can do so, the stock could experience a major turnaround, but if it fails, the consequences could be severe. The stock's chart is also being closely watched, as it can provide valuable insights into its future performance. The company's industry trends are also a key factor, as they can impact the stock's growth potential. The stock's risk-reward ratio is also being debated, with some investors thinking it's a good time to buy, while others are more cautious. The company's recent announcements have also been a major factor, with some having a significant impact on the stock's value. The company's management team has been working to address some of the concerns, but it's an uphill battle. The stock's technical indicators are also being closely watched, as they can provide valuable insights into its future performance. The company's financial health is also a major factor, with its revenue and earnings growth being closely watched. The company's competitors are also a factor, as they can impact small stocks' market share and overall performance. The main points to take away from this discussion are that small stock is facing some significant challenges, but it also has some strong fundamentals and growth potential. The stock's future success will depend on its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and address the concerns of investors. The company's financial health, industry trends, and management team will all play a critical role in determining its future performance. If you've got thoughts on small stock, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more analysis on the stock market, check out my other video on the top stocks to watch this year.